Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7, guys. If you have a code related to EGR valve or bad EGR valve symptoms, guys, stay with us and we will explain, guys, how we are going to test the motor, okay, and to see if the valve opens and closes. We can do that without even removing it, and we will show you what diagnostic tool we'll be using. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, guys, let us know if the video was helpful. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll be demonstrating on a gasoline engine, but diesel will be the same way. We will be able to check the EGR valve as well, guys. And the EGR on the valve on the gasoline engine, okay, it's down there, so it's hard to get to, guys, and remove it. We have a video that explains how to replace one if you need to check it out. That's a scanner that we'll be using. It works on any car, not just Mazda, guys, and this is like a dealer level equipment. You can do diagnostics, you can read the lead codes from every module, you can do programming. It's amazing, guys. And let me show you, okay, what we're going to do now. Need to get inside the vehicle. This is the programming device that comes with the computer. You connect it to the OBD port of your Mazda CX-7. Now you're going to go ahead, okay, turn the ignition on. Okay, like that. Then we'll click VIN, auto detect, and once it turns on, guys, it's going to read the VIN number. It will ask us to confirm. Then it's going to decode it, tell us which vehicle we have, so it's asking for confirmation one more time to make sure that this is the correct one. We say yes, and next it may ask you a few more questions depending on what options you have and all that stuff. So I'm going to answer those quick, and from that point on, now this is the step that takes just a little bit longer. Okay, what it's doing, it's loading all the software and it's detecting what computers the car has and all that stuff. This is the program that it's using, Mazda V6.61. They constantly release updates, so probably this number will change because they constantly improve that scanner, guys. So you click diagnostics, then control unit, and under control unit now we're going to go to PCM. This is your engine computer, powertrain control module. We'll click active test. Now it's going to take probably 5 to 10 seconds. It's going to detect all the different items and electrical components that we can test with this computer. Okay, and you can see it's almost ready. After that, guys, the one right here, it says EGR, exhaust gas recirculation valve, stepping motor position. We'll click this, and now what we'll do, guys, okay, we can increase the stepping position. You can see you can turn it on, off, depending on what position. Okay, you won't let me scan focus a little bit because the camera was a little bit off. So how you guys do that now? Okay, you need to get outside the vehicle, and this is a wireless too, so it's really cool. You can get out and go under the hood, and I'm going to open and close it now. So let's listen for one click now, very quiet click. Okay, and listen when I turn it on and off. So that valve, guys, is working. You can test a different position, you can see it turning on and off. So definitely, guys, that's not the case. Now it could be dirty valve, okay? Dirty valve could have those symptoms as well, so have a bad valve. So the only way to do that is you have to remove it and clean it really good. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys having a Mazda CX-7. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.